Hello there! Ready to learn how to get SoccerManager 2024 Gold? In this video, I'll show you how to earn them for no charge on Android and iPhone. So just follow this step by step. Let's get started. First, go to this website, apexfree.com. Then search for SM24 Gold. This is the tool that we are using to get the gold for $0. So, we will type our username on SM24 game. Then we'll select a device. For me, I will select an Android. Then click Connect. Now it says to choose the amount we want. I will select 5,000 gold. So it says that we have to unlock our items manually, so click Unlock Now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to finish 2 of these tasks to get our gold. I will finish 2 of these and I will be back. So it seems that my gold is unlocked. It says open your game and check the gold as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my gold and I can use it without problems. So just follow all these steps. And guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Peace out.